Hi you guys, this lesson is showing you how to write a numerical expression. If you're following along in McGraw-Hill, we are in Chapter 7, Lesson 3. The most important part about this is to be able to interpret words and create your equation. A numerical expression is a combination of numbers with at least one operation. But we're going to create it based on a paragraph or sentence of operations. Okay, so let me show you an example. Here we go. Let's see, so let's say it wants us to, we're going to start really basic, add 6 to 3. So, first things first, always underline the operations. I just have add and then circle the numbers. I have a 6 and a 3. So they want me to add 6 to a 3. So that would look like this, 6 plus 3. There's my operation. And there are my two numbers. And then I'm going to solve it. 6 plus 3 is 9. So the answer to this is 9. Now notice I wrote the numerical expression using numbers and then solving it. Okay? Let's do another one. We're just doing one operation for now, and then I'll move into 2 and 3 in just a second. What if they say divide 6 by 2? Division is very interesting because you have to make sure you divide the right number, right? You want to make sure that the correct number is being your dividend and the correct number is being your divisor. So they divide 6, so divide 6 by 2. So that would look like this, 6 divided by 2. Or like this, 6 divided by 2. And what is our answer? Our answer is 3, okay? All right, let's go ahead and see one where it has more than one operation. What if it says take 4 from 10, then multiply by 2. Okay, we have 2 operations and 3 numbers. So it says take 4 from 10, then multiply by 2. So I have a 4, a 10, and a 2. All right, what if you take 4 from 10? If you're taking something away, that's subtraction. Now, let me show you the wrong way. 4 minus 10. Why is that incorrect? Can I do 4 minus 10? No. And it didn't say take 10 from 4. It said take 4 from 10. So that would look like this. You might think you're writing it backwards, but you're writing it correctly. They said it backwards, or they said it mathematically. I am taking 4 from 10. Then multiply by 2. Well, they want us to multiply it by 2. So they want you to do it then. What does that mean? They want you to do that last. So make sure that this gets put in parentheses and then multiply it by 2. Because if I didn't have my parentheses, you would have to do 4 times 2 first based on order of operations. Okay, so I don't want to multiply the 4 times 2. They said take 4 from 10, then multiply by 2. So that means this first step had to be put in parentheses because we solve what's in parentheses first. So following order of operations, 10 minus 4 is 6. And then I bring down what's left. 6 times 2 is 12. And there you have it. All right, let's go ahead and do another one. Let's see. What if it said divide 15 by 5, then add 1. Okay. Divide, add, 15, 5, and 1, and I also underline the word then. Or you know what, why don't we box it? Because then tells us to do that step last. They want us to do this first, so if you hear the word then or see it, please make sure you do the first step first by putting it in parentheses. Divide 15 by 5. So 15 divided by 5, then add 1. That goes on the outside of the parentheses. And now we can solve. 15 divided by 5 is 3, and 3 plus 1 is 4. And there you go. All right, let's do one more, and then you guys should be good to go. Let's go ahead and do, take 7 from 10, then multiply by 10. Okay, take 7 from 10, then multiply by 10. Okay, I wanted to do ones that had the same digits to show you an example so that you don't get confused. Take 7 from 10, then. When you hear that word then, put a box around it, do this part first. So 7 from 10, that would be 10 minus 7. Make sure you put that in the right order, because I can't do 7 minus 10. Then multiply by 10, so multiply by 10 goes on the outside. 10 minus 7 is 3, and 3 times 10 is 30. All right, you guys, so that is your introduction on as far as how to write a numerical expression. I'll be showing you another example in another lesson when we go backwards, when we take an equation and write out what would be the numerical expression in words. So please make sure to check that out, and I hope this helps you out with whatever you're working on.